A while back, we used to do this thing where Alex and I would drive to work.
So subscribe now.
And on the way, I'd try to answer some of the design questions that you guys had sent in.
And our next question is, how do I not get hit by that large truck coming my way?
Okay, that was my question.
Is it hard working with your husband design-wise?
Oh!
I don't think that was your question either. I think Alex made that one up.
Forget about my questions. What if I just answer your questions? Does that make you happy? It makes me happy if I can help you guys out. It'll make me happy if I can get around this car. See ya.
Anyway, the other day, I was reading some of your comments on one of our videos for the Retro Ranch rental, and it appears Margaret Norton is curious about the upper cabinet in the entryway. Sharp eyes, Margaret, because I didn't talk about it during the video. Here's why. And by the way, happy Friday the 13th. Here's a question. What is this? Just a storage closet. Interesting. Don't worry, the Retro Ranch rental reno is going well. And next week, we'll be back with some real videos to keep you up to date. Until then, Alex seems to want you to subscribe.
So your subscribe button would be right under your left hand. So you could say subscribe now.
Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.